so quiet here. It's kind of quiet here. Let's go so everyone can copyright it. I won't get copyrighted. They got the drink, looks so good. The drink. What do you think if I have like this? Hold on the hair. Oh yeah, looking for food. Maybe on the other side there also has food.
Over there?
Yeah,
Yeah, look at everything to do. It might be cheaper too.
that's true. Yeah, maybe we can walk and see.
Want to walk down here and go that way?
Can we walk that way?
We saw all this.
Need to repeat it sometime because yeah, channel. So pretty. Right guys, here it is. Yeah, we are at Miami Beach right now. Yeah, Miami Beach walking tour. So we are going to just walk around here, you know, to show you guys the view in Miami Beach right now. At the moment it is yeah, 7:49. Yeah, it's getting dark right now. Most likely because of it's so windy. It might be raining tomorrow, I guess. Or yeah, it is would be nice if the weekend is the weather is nice, but unfortunately not so good at all. Alright guys, let's enjoy walking, yeah, tour with me in Miami Beach, Florida. Look at all this. Pretty good. Yeah, here you can enjoy. Actually, you can have like food, including, yeah, you can do hookah here. I mean hookah. Yeah, here. Thank you. This is another cool restaurant. This one is pretty good. It's like low key. Yeah, not so much music here. It's kind of nice. Oh, actually they do have band. Yeah, but they haven't started yet. Yeah, you guys can see in there. Yeah, look like they're about to get started. Yeah, look like those lady rehearsal right now. That's kind of cool. We're gonna walk back later actually. Yeah, again guys, this is something that I love the most about Miami. Yeah, I love coconut tree everywhere. Yeah, palm tree, I mean palm tree everywhere. And as you guys can see, yeah, each building, yeah, each place is decorated with the colorful lights. This is just look amazing to me. And you can see all pretty girls pretty girls here in Miami. Yeah, so cool. Pretty girl everywhere, I love it.
Want to go to a Cuban restaurant?
What kind of food is it? Yeah, okay, actually. You feel okay? Yeah, this house right here, guys, look like a party, but it's kind of like fancy party. Look like a lot of people like dress up, and then maybe they can serve food or stuff inside right there. We're not sure what it is actually, but we see all the couple walk in there. They all dress up, which is nice. And it is not for us, obviously. One of the places that you guys could check out is this place right here. Yeah, at least come to see it, guys. Look at that. She's very funny. Yeah, she's just dancing for everybody. And actually she's dancing to collect some tips, I guess.
We got some more show coming up in a few minutes. I want you to sit back, relax, order your favorite cocktails, get a meal, and love yourself. Stop dancing. We got drag coming out all night. DJ, take it away. This is like my phone. I'm telling the neighbors now go home. Yeah. Oh, they call that airdrop like taking photos.
Is it a cigarette? Cigarette?
Cigars and cigarettes.
Cigar, yes.
Like you like.
Uh-huh.
Do you like that?
No. Actually, that's what I want to say. That I tried to find that word what it is, but I could not. Yeah, I could not recall it. Cigar, not weed. In Miami, I see. Only San Francisco. Oh, beautiful. The trust. Get all the
Yeah, let's go down 7th Street.
Not all the way to the end.